Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. I love saying that, Luxe highlight. This is kind of unusual here. This is a standard paint job on a Luxe luxury toy hauler. Don't usually get this very often, but still the same automotive type paint you can expect from any of our paint schemes. But this one is standard, so it's no extra cost. And I think it looks pretty doggone cool. And to mention again, everything is paint. No decals, everything is paint. Our logos are paint. The striping is paint. Isn't this a beautiful day? Look at that beautiful blue sky. This one's got the side patio. So hey, give us a call, tell us what you think. Get on our website, luxefifthwheel.com, 844-284-6678, and have an excellent day.